Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making pork shank. This unique fusion of chipotle, beer, and honey is as fantastic as it sounds. The meat is tender and juicy, and there's a great kick from the chipotle. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now, to get started, we are going to prepare the pork shank. Rub the pork shank evenly with salt and pepper. When choosing what cut of meat to buy, make sure you get a bone-in pork shank so that you can get the most flavor out of the dish. Then heat a Dutch oven over high heat. Once the pot is hot, add the vegetable oil and sear the pork shank on all sides until it is browned. Then reduce the heat to medium and add 12 ounces of light beer. As the pork is cooking, scrape the pot with a wooden spoon to deglaze the bottom of the pot. Now it is time to prepare the chipotle mix. In a food processor, blend 4 tablespoons of chipotle in adobo, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 cloves of garlic. Additionally, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water so that the mixture turns into a paste. If you prefer a milder spice, then be sure to add less chipotle. Next, pour the chipotle mix on top of the shank. Then add the remaining 1.5 cups of water to the pot. Cover and reduce the heat to low and let simmer for 1 hour. But make sure you check the pot after 30 minutes and add an additional ½ cup of water if needed. When you check on the pork, you can also baste it with the juices in the pot. However, we are going to finish cooking the pork in the oven, so preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The pork shank should be tender before going into the oven. It may take a little longer to achieve that consistency, so be sure to keep checking on the pork. Next, uncover the Dutch oven and transfer the pot to the preheated oven. Let it roast for 15 minutes or until nicely browned. Pork shanks can become tough if not cooked properly. That's why taking the time to slow braise this cut of meat is important. Remove from the oven and let the pork shank rest for 10 more minutes before serving. You can serve the pork shank along with rice, roasted vegetables, or mashed potatoes. Just spoon the juices on top and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes. We will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.